This is Governor Greg Abbott, and I am very proud to report that it has been yet another remarkable year for the Texas economy. Our great state continues to be a national leader in economic development as well as in job creation. And importantly, the travel industry is a vital part of that great success. With over $69 billion in direct travel spending in Texas, the travel industry is responsible for more than 1 million jobs in communities across our entire state. And I want you to know that my office is committed to continuing to grow the travel and tourism industry in Texas. This past year, the Economic Development and Tourism Division in my office influenced $4.6 billion in travel spending from outside Texas into our state. This in turn generated more than $280 million in state taxes and supported more than 45,000 travel industry jobs. It is so important that we continue to promote and invest in Texas's travel and tourism industry. That includes restoring the communities that were impacted by Hurricane Harvey. The damage from Harvey is one of the greatest challenges our state has ever faced. But in the face of that adversity, Texans do not back down. We work together to overcome any challenge that comes our way. That's why my office continues to work with the federal government as well as with charities and private businesses to secure the funding that's needed to rebuild small businesses and communities across the Texas coast. Now, these communities and businesses are so vital to the future of Texas. And working together, we will bring them back stronger than ever before. Texas has so much to offer. And I want to thank the members of the Texas Travel Industry Association for working so tirelessly to share our great state with the rest of the world, as well as for making the Texas travel and tourism industry the very best in the entire nation. I look forward to working with you to elevate our state to even greater heights, because we know that anything is possible in Texas. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God forever bless the great state of Texas.